everyone, we're here at the Neal Brothers warehouse at the Ashley Phosphate location. If you don't know, Neal Brothers is an international import and export cargo hub with over 100 years of experience combined. Today I'm here with Buster Griffin. He is the warehouse manager for this location. Buster, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, absolutely. We're so excited to get a day in the life of a warehouse worker here at the Ashley Phosphate location. So first, let's get into it. Talk to me a little bit about how you got into being here at Neal Brothers.
So I'm very fortunate to have family in the company, and we always look at everybody as family anyways. Just from years of working here from when I was younger and coming in and learning the business from the ground up has really brought me into this position.
So talk about that journey. What positions have you done within the few years that you've been here?
So from restacking wood to cleaning out containers to being on a forklift and loading trucks, really from the ground up to learn every aspect of the business.
That's crazy. And now you have this position as a warehouse manager. Talk to me a little bit about that position.
So usually I try and get around here at 6:30.
That's early.
Yes.
Every day that's 6:30?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so walk me through that process when you get here. What do you do?
So usually I try to get here at 6:30. I'll go on GoPort and I'll look and see which vessels have worked, what containers are available for us to bring in, receive, and take the product out, and make sure I'm in my timeline because we only have so much allotted time. So we have to be able to get the job done as quick and as best as we possibly can.
And then what do you do after that?
So usually after that we have a meeting. We have a meeting with my floor manager and our crew. We go over what we have for the day, what we need to achieve, what goals we have to achieve for the day. And after we have that meeting and of course a safety overview, we accomplish the goal and achieve it safely every day. So usually in the afternoon we're looking to see which trucks are still coming in to load out the product, how many containers we have left to receive with the product inside, to store in the warehouse, and we're just trying to achieve that goal to make sure that we turn in our containers in the proper deadlines.
So how many of those trucks do you get a day?
It usually averages between 18 and 20 loadouts a day, 5 different customers. So you got to know exactly what's going on each truck.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a difficult situation.
Here, it's like family, you said earlier. Being here and seeing the same people every single day work hard and meet that goal. So what does it mean to you to have, such a great crew here?
Well, if you have a crew that has the same mindset as you, it makes the job easier. So everybody wants to achieve the same goal and do the best possible, work the best possible way we can.
So how do you wrap up your day?
We usually wrap up the day, when we've achieved our goal for the day of how many containers we need to receive. We'll have an overview with the workers and the manager, and we'll talk about what we need to achieve the next day.
I love it. So what does it mean to be able to be part of Neal Brothers?
Neal Brothers is an amazing company that if you invest in the company, they invest in you. So they want you to achieve and work hard and do great things, and they help you do great things.
I love that. Well, is there anything else you would like to add, Buster?
Yes, if anybody is looking for warehousing space, we have plenty here at Ashley Phosphate. Bring it on and we can handle it.
There we go. You heard it here first. So thank you so much, Buster. I appreciate you.
Thank you.